I don't have an internet connection. Does that work? Thank you for your understanding. I am here to take the train, but I'm a little bit tired. My brother, I'm hanging out with them for a little while. Then we'll go separate ways. Thank you for your understanding. I love the Canadian night.
tallaabo u jirso dadka kale hadduu taabana cidow teg takooro naftaada baano tiro gacmahaaga marmaydh tallaabo u jirso dadka kale hadduu taabana cidow teg takooro naftaada baano tawxiidka allun baad tiri karay talana eebbaaga saaro
Like, it doesn't matter whether I'm on or off. The train goes in that direction. It just doesn't. The energy, the environment has been polluted. Yet, I don't have an internet connection. Thank you so much. Thank you, Father. 15 here, take the train. My father is a little bit tired. I found my brother. Hanging out with them. Wow, a little bit more. We go separate ways. Thank you. I love the Canadian night music. Okay. When I hop on that train. You never thought we were going to need. When you were born, you never thought. No, you. That's I know, but you get me. Like, it doesn't matter whether I'm on or off. The train goes. Yes, here we are. Yes. It just doesn't. The energy has been consumed. The environment has been polluted. Yet, Lord, thank you, Father. 15, yeah. My father is good. Never thought we were going to need. When you were born, you never thought that you the night. What is this? That's I know, but you get me right where I'm going. None of us planned it. Yet here we are. Yes, I don't. Every time, black one, white, like fuck. What? He's black too. Get the fuck out of here. He's Obama. That's black. He's like Obama. God damn it, man! I should put on my glasses. You know, I can't tell the difference. Here's the thing. I came from.
Give me a second, I need to get my story straight. My friends are in the bathroom getting higher than the Empire State. My brother, she's waiting for me just across the bar. My seat's been taken by some sunglasses, asking about a scar. I know I gave somebody months ago. I know you're trying to forget, but in between the subtle things, the whole my apologies, you know, I'm trying hard to take it back. So if by the time the bar closes and you feel like falling down, I'll carry you home tonight.